Welcome everyone. I'm so glad today I'm into MVP show and thank you for giving me this opportunity, Microsoft Azure Group. Uh, I'm so grateful for this opportunity, and my objective would be giving you real time understanding what is going in market trend related to the technology landscape, what are the challenges you could face, and how to start your cloud journey. So, a little bit about myself. I'm Microsoft Azure MVP five time. I'm CSAP Corner MVP as well. I have writing the article from 2008, more than 1.5 million to 2 million views on my article. Review various books, technical books, for example, uh, application delivery in load balancing Microsoft and all those stuff. Reviewed technical book, work with my Microsoft friends to look over how we could impact the community. And I'm so glad like to reach to you folks, and I believe this will help you out. So basically about my experience, around 17 year of experience based in Canada, sister city of Detroit, very near to US border as well. So basically that's what how my career is now from last 7 years. And cloud, as Lakshit mentioned, cloud is so important where technology is going on. Like in 2000, we heard there is no possibility of any company without an internet. Now, I would say there is no possibility of company without cloud. So, being Microsoft MVP, I'm more into Azure, but it doesn't mean I haven't touched base about various another cloud platform. I work on AWS as well. I work on GCP and all those kind of things. So basically, that is what I want to going to share with you. And if question is how to start your cloud journey, we will touch base that. So basically, how my cloud journey started. Well, my cloud journey started in 2014-16 is when I was working with Xerox, and that is the time when I was at Rochester, New York, and it is kind of a new thing is going into the market. I come from development background actually, so I was a developer throughout, and I did a lot of development work in .NET to Silverlight to WPF and all those things. When I got the opportunity in 2014 to 16, look for the cloud because we are doing migration, it dragged my attention. And another top of the things for all my audience, we have to understand where the industry is going. At that time, I figured it out. Hey, Deepak, in next 2 year or 3 year, cloud will take over everything, and that's how I started my journey. I start writing, looking over the Azure environment, and then developed some application in Azure, and eventually I did that successful migration. And after that, it is all over Azure development for me, infrastructure as a service or platform as a services. So basically, if you are someone who is working into, I would say, who is working into the cloud space or who want to start into cloud space, you need to build your skill set. How you could build your skill set? You can go to portal.azure.com and you could subscribe with your free subscription. Microsoft gave you free subscription over there as well, and you could I think $250 in Canada, I'm not sure, on different continent, like you just saw my message as well. 200 credit remaining. Leverage those benefits. Microsoft is giving you so much benefit to start your cloud journey. That is the first and foremost thing. Do hands-on thing. Go to the portal, understand what is home, what are the service over here, what are the resources. You got to your hands dirty. and this is free of cost. Now this is not the zone where we were reading lot of books and and understanding from book. Now everything is available, everything is available in the portal, everything is available free of cost as well. And you could also leverage, if you have .NET license, Visual Studio Enterprise license, you could leverage that as well. So what you could piggy bank, first suggestion for me, who don't have Azure portal or never use Azure portal, go to the Azure portal, please, and leverage, create your account, and start free subscription. Once you have subscription, then you could understand, okay, what is SQL database, what is database, Cosmo DB, virtual machine, load balances, storage account. There are so many things you could look over from different perspective. You could say, hey, what is Azure Advisor, what are those different feature or score I'm seeing, what does it mean? So basically when you interact with someone, or when you got the opportunity to work in the project, it will boost your career. So that is the first thing. Second thing which I suggest, connect with good folks who are in your industry, like professional course. For example, I happy to take your all the request. Connect with me, I will happy to help you to build your career journey as well. Me and Laksit have another session where we will not talk about technology, we will talk about, okay, how could you leverage yourself, how you could reach to a level after 5 year, maybe maybe in America, maybe in Canada, or maybe another part of the world, or maybe in India as well. So basically, you have to do professional connection. That is second talk. That is second suggestion. And third, start reading about article. This is my blog, deepakkaushik.com. I flew to, this is my video at DevOps Lab as well. I flew to Microsoft Seattle, and this video has been recorded. I think it is in 2017 is 2017 or 18 is, and all those kind of things. Read various articles. Look over. Okay, when those experts are coming live to give you that understanding, as I have shared. Like yesterday I was live in Microsoft Bangladesh, and every time they bring me up, and they ask different questions, ask your questions. And before that I was also live in 7 countries, and we talk about so many things, and about technology, about your career journey, and all that stuff. So that is another thing you could start your career journey. Third, which is last but not least, there are in LinkedIn learning is there. You could leverage those free learning stuff. You could leverage your different stuff and understand technology, how, for example, how to show your interest in the success of to be successful in cloud. For example, if I write Azure fundamentals, these 5 courses are free of cost. These are available to each and every one of us. So please go, educate yourself, do hands on work, and then start working on these. Build professional relationship. And once you have those professional relationship with those community expert, then your time investment will converted into the results, and it will start driving you in the direction of being successful enterprise, uh, in entrepreneur as well, or employee as well, or technocrat as well. So basically that is what I want to do, some 3 steps. And I believe if you take those 3 steps at this point of time, you will be successful. You will get the opportunity from your company, you will get the opportunity outside your company, you will get the opportunity uh, as an individual, and you will be asset. I also start my career from India, and got the opportunity in initial days. And only thing is, you should have zeal to work on different topic. Take the challenge. And how could you take the challenge when you are working ahead of time, A, or when you have those skill sets? Now, for my current job, I'm dealing with so many customers, and I'm so glad, giving them the best solution. I have been consulted regularly about different customer with their problem statement, and how we able to resolve that, how we able to bring out of box solution when you have those skill set. Having said that, I want, if you guys increase your skill set, do your hands dirty, listen good podcasts, listen these videos, understand, and then dream about or target about, okay, I want to be a Azure architect, or I want to be Azure developer in next 5 years, and my skill set would be data, my skill set would be networking, or for per se, if I share my experience, I never restricted myself with any um, under any cocoon. Whatever come into my way, I did the work in IoT as well. So IoT streaming or AI implementation or all those things. But your skill set is your best passport, which will bring you ahead and which will make the difference between a cloud guy versus crowd guy. I want you to be a cloud guy. And my friend, one day they give me the name Cloud Blooded Beast. And I use that like Deepak Kaushik, Cloud Blooded Beast, because I I think you have that passion to write, you have that passion to share those knowledge, and you bring those time. So bring those time, make change in your life. I'm here to help you out with Microsoft Sport, with the expert guidance, and feel free to connect me at LinkedIn. Feel free to reach to me at Twitter as well, and I will be happy to help you out with everything and anything. And this picture make me proud. This brown guy is me, almost same screen. And when you are part of that community, when you are presenting your country on technical forum, when you are taking the in charge of sharing the knowledge, that is something you make you proud, that's something make your community proud. And I'm so grateful to this beautiful country, they give me that opportunity as well to present in front of everything. And on that platform, you can be one of them, my friends, and I'm here to support you out as and when you need my help. And this is how you could start your journey. And let's start your journey. Take care.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. Thank you. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Thank you, everyone.